Hello guys, welcome back to MJ Crypto, and my name is Emmanuel, and we always do this every Monday. Okay, today is the second edition of MJ Crypto weekly updates, and I'll be showing you three coins, just three, okay, that you need to watch out for in the coming weeks. Now, these three coins are actually going to do over 100%. Last week, I told you guys to watch out for Ethereum Cardano, right? And you can see Cardano hit 1.2. Ethereum hit 3,500. Okay, so if you had invested when I told you, you'd have been in profit by now. But not to worry, Cardano is still going to do far better than what it's doing right now. So watch out for that coin. That's number one. Number two on the list is the SLP, the smooth love portion. SLP, you can always find this on your Binance. Buy this coin on your spot, hold it. It's going to do massively well in the coming weeks, okay? And then the number three on the list is the AOA, Aurora coin, and you can actually find this on the KuCoin exchange. Very simple. So what are you waiting for, guys? If you've not subscribed to this channel, honestly, man, you are missing a lot. You are missing so much. So click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you get updated when I post content like this. And I'm going to be making my weekly briefs very, very short. Okay, so you just go straight to the point, get the memo, and act. All right. So see you guys in the next video. I'll be doing something on top losers very soon. So watch out for that strategy as well. Cheers.